Home security should be top priority when it comes to your front door. In fact, many insurance companies insist on using deadbolts for external entryways. That's why I've gone with the Lane Touch Plus. This beauty is a lock set that gives advanced security with one-touch locking. It has a double-cylinder deadlocking which throws a bolt into the door rather than just a latch. You'll need a drill, 54mm hole saw, 25mm hole saw or spade bit, a 12mm drill bit, a chisel, screwdrivers, mallet, measuring tape and a pencil. For this door we need to flip the handle. For the outside handle, unscrew the lever plate and remove, and pull down on the handing pin to free the lever. Rotate the lever to the opposite side. You can release the handing pin once the lever is rotated. Remove the handing pin and reinstall on the same side to which the lever is facing. For the inside handle, unscrew the lever plate, flip the handle and reinstall the plate. The first thing is to position the lock at least a metre up from the ground. You'll want to get this right, so fold the edge of the template around the door and mark where you need to drill, marking both sides of the door. Drill the 2 latch holes first using the 25mm spade bit on the edge of the door. Ensure these are a minimum of 95mm deep and that they're totally straight. Insert the latch in the top hole and the deadbolt in the bottom. Mark around each faceplate, ready for checking out. Chisel out the timber to be 3mm deep so the latch and deadbolt sit flush. Do this gradually and check regularly to ensure that the cutout is not too deep. Drill all the holes on the face of the door, starting with the 25mm hole, making sure you don't go all the way through. It's best to drill halfway from the front and then from the back to avoid splintering. Put the latch in the top so the taper is positioned towards the door jamb where the strike plate will be. Put the deadbolt into the bottom hole, making sure the arrow is facing up, then secure using the short timber screws. Install the outside plate first. Put the spindle into the lever cam assembly and put the plate against the door. Make sure the bottom fork is horizontal to pass through the deadbolt. Then secure the outside plate with the 2 metal thread screws, passing through the bobbin head washers on the inside of the door and tighten. Put the spindle into the lever cam assembly. Make sure the bottom fork is vertical to be pushed into the deadbolt. Press the privacy button to ensure correct orientation, align and insert the inside plate. Securely tighten the grub screws with the Allen key. Check the lock set works. Once satisfied the lock is working correctly, place the screw caps over the grub screws. So there you have it, top-notch security that looks modern and it's easy for the family to use every day.